Tired of persistent Android system notifications? Here's a quick way to remove them. Swipe down to open the notification shade and find the persistent system alert. Long press the notification to reveal options, then tap App Info. In App Info, tap Notifications to see categories for that system app. Open the relevant category and either toggle off notifications or set importance to low. If you don't see it, go to Settings, Apps, Show System Apps, then find Android System. Follow the path: Settings, Apps, See All Apps, Show System, Android System, Notifications. Toggle the specific notification category off or set it to silent to stop alerts. Clear the current notification by swiping it away or tapping Clear All. Now compare before and after. The notification is gone and the shade is clean. Tip: re-enable categories if an app needs alerts, or restart if changes don't apply. That's it, your notification area is clear. Subscribe for more quick Android tips.